Okay, so I've been obsessed with watching Mariah Elizabeth's squishy makeovers, like way more than I usually do. I've been like rewatching them and rewatching them. And I decided that I want to try it. It's probably going to go terribly, and I'm probably going to be bad at it, but it looks like fun, so I'm going to give it a try. Enter this package that like literally squishes down into nothing. It like breathes. This is a package I got from eBay with 60 random squishies. And I am hoping that this package will contain enough things to keep me at least occupied for a little while. We'll see how it goes. They are much teeny tinier than I thought they would be. Okay, so it looks like I have, I don't know what these are. Are they supposed to be pizzas? They're like little, or pies maybe? Looks like I got two of these little pie things. I got two dolphins. I got two of these weird little, I can't decide if they're chickens. I think they might be chickens because they have little tiny arms. They're either chickens or fish, and like this is their head, the fish head. I don't know. They're either chicks or fish. I have two melon pan, which I really like melon pan. I like to eat melon pan. Not that I mean don't eat squishies. That's not what I mean. I like to eat real melon anyway. I have two of these little frilly cookies. Two of these little bear head ampon. Two of these weird little squares. At first I came across this blue one and I thought it was a melting ice cube, but now there's a pink one, so I'm just not sure what it's supposed to be. Maybe they're little bonbons? Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Anyway, two of those. I got two big slices of bread with different faces on them. Oh yeah! Oh, not again. This one looks like it's moldy? Like not actual mold. I don't know. It's got like some green paint on it. That's definitely paint. But yeah, so I have regular, super excited bread and moldy looking tired bread. Let's see. I have three tiny bunnies. Well, they look like Rilakumas dressed up as bunnies. Holding a strawberry, I think that is, that they're holding on to. So three of those. I have three of these little cookies that are shaped like this. This one didn't come in a bag, but they're like little frilly cookies, sandwich cookies. I have 3 onigiri, which are little Japanese rice balls, triangles. Ah, there's so much fun to squeeze. Alright, I totally understand the whole squeezing squishies thing. I didn't understand before. I was just uneducated, I guess. I also have 3, I think these are slices of bread. These two are like the same, and this one's, I don't know, I call that the pervert face. It looks like, he looks like he's going, how you doing? In a really awkward, like, perverse kind of way. But he's also a slice of bread. But he's a slightly different shape, but I put them together, whatever. I also have 3 Mickey head waffles. Sure. Kind of cool. I kind of like them with their drizzle. And then, what else do I have? I have 4 of these emoji. They look like panda buns, but with emojis on them. Got that perverted face again. Can't seem to escape it. So I got 4 of those. And then I have 5 of these. I thought they were orange slices, but now I'm not really sure that. Oh, you know what? I know what they are. They're dumplings. They're steamed dumplings. All right, I got 5 steamed dumplings. They look like orange slices to me. They were like citrus fruit slices. Anyway, so I got 5 of those. I wonder if I could put them together. No, probably not. Alright. Then I have 6 whole donuts. Whole uneaten donuts. Unbitten donuts. Just your standard donuts. I can't stop squeezing them. Some of them are slightly different. Like this one's a little thicker. And then these are all kind of the same. And this one's got some kind of a little bow, like a Hello Kitty bow on it. But yeah, I got 6 whole donuts, and then I have 6 bitten donuts. Nom nom. So these are all donuts that have a bite taken out of them. And then I have 6 panda buns of varying colors. I got 2 plain white ones, a white one with a little bow, 2 pink ones, and a brown one. And finally, I have 1 seashell that I think is supposed to be like a cake or something. It's got drizzle on it anyway. So yeah, 1 seashell. And 1 bear bread. So, what am I gonna do with these? I actually do have a couple of ideas. I'll have to buy additional squishies for them though. This is a good little collection of backup additives though. But I need some bigger ones, so excuse me while I go get those. Okay, so I have some more random bags of squishies, and not so random. I bought a couple, you know, because I wanted them. For example, this super fat, cute bear bread. This is a squishy that I bought in singular. I also bought this oh, it doesn't even fit on my screen. This freaking giant pineapple. Oh my goodness. It's so squishy. I love it. I didn't understand what like the fuss about Squishies was, but they are so satisfying to squish. Oh my god. I like can't stop squishing this. I kind of love it. Oh. This one was expensive because it's so big, but I don't care. I really like it. Here I have another random grab bag of Squishies with really cute packaging, by the way. Looks like we have two tiny donuts, two more tiny donuts. Now I have a lot of tiny donuts. A piece of waffle, keychain piece of waffle. A strawberry dipped in chocolate, covered in sprinkles. It's actually a lot of sprinkles. I don't really like, ow, those. This one's not so bad because it doesn't have as many sprinkles. This one's like, it stabs your hand. I don't know if I like that. A heart-shaped donut. Oh, uh-oh. He came with a tear. Can you see it? Look at, oh. Well, that's depressing. It's alright, it's a thing for me to fix, I guess. Or, you know, ruin more, because I just had an idea. Just had an idea. Okay, we might use that later. Let's see, this is a little cake roll. The whole cake roll instead of just a slice, with little strawberries on top. And whipped cream that is the same color as the frosting on the cake roll. Okay. Oh, here's another one of those little waffles with the sprinkles on it. Okay. We'll just put you two together. Get you acquainted with each other. These are two macarons. Oh, those are nice. They rise a little faster than I would like, but paint's coming off of them, it looks like. But they're, oh, I like these. I want to do something with these too. I want to do something with all of these. That's why I have them, so that I can do something with them. I guess that's fair. I have a little ice cream cone. This is really cute little ice cream cone. The paint's a little messy. It's got a nice rise. Squeeze, and it's so little. It's in the palm of your hand. Ideal for squishing. This is a ice cream sundae, it looks like, in a waffle bowl. Look at that. That's actually really cute. I like that. Ice cream sundae in a waffle bowl. He's pretty soft. I like him. Ah, I'm just playing with these. Ah. Alright, and then we also have, let's see, this is a cake that Mariah Elizabeth has done, actually, repainted. Oh, I like that. I like this one. Oh, you could like mush it right up into a ball. It's got a little, is that supposed to be a kitty with no tail? She turned this into an under the sea themed ocean cake. And this little top guy ended up being a seal. Which he does already really look like a seal, so. Oh, this'll be, oh, I like this one. Okay. Alright. Here's another random lot of Squishies. Let's see what we got here. Okay, what are you guys? These are, oh yeah, these are people Squishies. And oh, look at these ducks! Look how cute they are! They're so cute and fat! Ah! I love them! Aren't they cute? Oh, I love them! I really love these ducks, oh my god. Look how cute. They look like peanut butter and jelly because they're brown and purple. Oh, they're so cute. Alright. And I have one more random assortment. Okay. These are a cupcake that's, oh, very hard. Oh, no. Sounds like it's breathing. Anyway, okay. This is a puppy. Oh, this is much nicer to squish. A rainbow alpaca. It's so fluffy. Oh, and squishy. Oh boy. Oh, a unicorn. And a decapitated unicorn. Cute. Also very decapitated. Okay. Well, those are all the squishies I have now. I am thinking, I think I already mentioned this, that I'm gonna try doing some squishy makeovers. I'm not sure if anybody would be interested in that besides, you know, me. But I'll film a video, see what you think of it, I guess. Let me know in the comments down below if there was anything here that caught your attention that you would like to see. I have quite a few more coming in the mail, they're just not here yet. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you are watching this before July 15th, 2020, please check out my huge Copic giveaway, where you can win one of 12 prize packs, each one including a set of Copic markers, a crescent render bleed proof drawing pad, and lots of other goodies that I tried to make little sets that include everything you need to start illustrating if you'd like. But anyway, yeah, until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye!